Hey curly gang, and we're back with another video. Due to the title, you guys already know what today is all about. It is about my TJMaxx haul that I got yesterday. So guys, after my vacation to Florida, I was on edge of going to the stores or even shopping because, money was spent. By the way, guys, I got stuck there for 12 hours at the airport coming back home. So anyways, I was trying to stay away from the stores. Me and my mom had to do a few things. She's like, Ash, come with me to TJMaxx. I need to go grab a few things since we're there. Me being me, I'm like, sure, whatever, okay. TJMaxx is a setup for us curly girls. Why? Because I found a bunch of lines I've been wanting to try from Shea Moisture. And I didn't leave it. So, with that being said, I am going to show you guys a few, basically everything I did purchase from Shea Moisture and why I purchased it. And then I'll be doing a before and after with my TJMaxx haul with everything I did buy, okay? So starting off, I want to start off with the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Complexion. This mask is actually one of my favorite deep conditioner masks. I haven't found the tub yet, but when I find you, you're mine. Because I love this. It left my hair so nice, so hydrated, and left my curls very defined and frizz-free. So this was actually, I was pretty excited about this buy. As well as the Raw Shea and Cupuacu. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but this is a line I've been crazy to try it out. Only because it smelled very good. So this is actually has raw shea butter, Amazonian Cupuacu, and Mafura oil, as well as the conditioner, which I can't wait to try, guys. It does smell amazing. And actually, Kareem's the one who had pointed it out when I was at Ulta. So finding this at TJMaxx was very exciting. Got them both for $5.99 a piece. Can't beat it. As well as the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Treatment Mask with the shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. Only because it is amazing. This is actually one of the top two next to the Manuka Oil, the Manuka Honey Deep Conditioning. This is probably next to that. It is my favorite, and it does have black Jamaican castor oil, as you guys. There you go. So I as well got this for $5.99. Can't beat it, guys, compared to what it says, $8 and up, which is true. But I can't wait to try this. Along with this, I did find the Strengthening Black Castor Oil and Restore Conditioning Shine Gel. I actually can't wait to try this. I've seen very good reviews about it. And to be able to find it for only $5.99, I had to take it. I just had to. I was just like, you know what? Doop. Put it right in my cart. My mom, we're walking out. My mom was like, Ashley. And I'm just like, shh. Shh. I had to get it, guys. I couldn't leave this behind. Absolutely not. Crazy. And then I did get, I don't know about you guys, but I am very scared to use co-washes. I do get scared due to the fact that I feel like it weighs my hair down. With that being said, being in Florida, Kareem actually had the hibiscus and coconut oil line with him. It did dry my hair out. It was actually one of my favorite lines while transitioning to be a curly head again, to help me repair my damages and a bunch of different other stuff. But the fact that it dried me out, I don't think I'll be trying it again. Maybe a brand new pack. I don't know, but it did dry me out. But I did co-wash with my 100% virgin coconut oil deep conditioner. I did co-wash with that, and it did give me a good result. Maybe because of the different climate and the weather. But we'll be finding out how co-washes actually do with my hair, because I bought the Superfruit multivitamin co-wash with marula oil and biotin, my favorite. So I did only pay $3.99 for this, guys. Couldn't beat it, and I couldn't leave it. It's not focused. I don't know what's going on with my camera, sorry guys, but it is the conditioning wash. Can't wait to try it, and I bought that as well with the Superfruit multivitamin leave-in detangler because I want to try the gel. And normally when I do a gel in my hair, I do a leave-in with it or maybe a cream, but I know all lines don't all mix together very well. So that's why I bought it. I bought everything from the same line just to give it a try. So this is my before, guys. And I'll be showing you the after. I probably won't be showing a curly routine because that's why I'll give you guys another video. So guys, I'll be back. Guys, I'm back. I just wanted to show you guys my results. I did get a lot of definition. So is this not going to focus? But I mean, you guys can see the definition. Not much frizz, which is I'm pretty happy with. I'm not going to scrunch it out today. I'm going to scrunch it out tomorrow. And if you follow me on my Instagram, you'll see my results with the fluffed out with oil. So, just wanted to show you my ending result. Feels very moist, very shiny on the parts that, on the like the little areas that I actually that are already dry and that they didn't get that cast. I mean, I feel some of the cast maybe right here in this area, a little bit on the back. Nothing been too major, nothing I can't take care of. I'll be scrunching it out tomorrow. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat to see me on a daily basis with my hair. And make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed, because what are you doing? So thank you guys so much for the love and the support. Make sure you stay tuned, and I'll be back with another video next week. Thank you guys.